today we're at Lake Balboa, and we're gonna do our first episode of Hollywood J's Fishing Adventures. So, like I said, today we're at Lake Balboa, California, which is not too far from Sherman Oaks and Encino, California over here, and Tarzana's down the way also. But anyways, we're here, and right now I'm about to show you some of the things I like to use when I like to go fishing and stuff. So just sit back, relax, and the thing is, the lake's right over there too. So looking over there, I don't see too much action from other people, but I'm about to get some action. So anyways, sit back. I'm about to show you some stuff and show you what I like to use. Anyway, I like to use this stuff. This is stuff that works for me when I like to go fishing. This is what I catch fish on. So this one's pretty good. You know, it's a pumpkin seed green, I guess, and it's all right. But this one right here works the best. Works really good. Pumpkin seed orange there, and this pumpkin seed Carolina color right here works really well also. Also, this orange one, that one. I caught a couple bigger fish with this one right here. But my favorite is this little shad here. I like to use this one. I caught a lot of fish off this one right here. But anyways, that's pretty much my rig I like to use when I go fishing and stuff like that. Now to my fishing pole, I got a Shimano 2500 HG, and it's about a 6.5, 7 foot rod, and then I got 10-pound test spider wire on here also I like to use. So this is the little shad I'm using today, and I'm just using it with a straight hook. That's it, nothing more. And I got a little split shot weight over here. So you can call it the California rig if you want to. So anyways, I'm about to go out here and make it happen. So let's go. Caught me a fish here at Lake Balboa. First episode of Hollywood J's Fishing Adventures, and it's going down already. First cast. So it's on, baby. Anyways, about to toss him back in the water very gently and let him back to live another day. Here we go. Anyways, Hollywood J's Fishing Adventure, that was the first cast, and we're going back again. Anyways, I'll see you in a minute. There's a difference. You got fishermen and you got your wishing. Voice of fishing. Hollywood Jet. Bam! Number 2, second cast. All it took was, well, third cast. My bad, third cast. I'm sorry. Anyways, second fish. Throwing back in the water. Having a good time, as you see over there. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna release them back in the water. Here we go. You ready, fishy? Go. Back in the water. Anyways, it's fish number 2, and we will continue. Anyways, Hollywood J's Fishing Adventures, and we shall catch another. Number 3 or soon. Bye.